So I've been wearing these steel-toed shoes for just over a week. I've been wearing them all day, every day, just to see more or less how comfortable they are and how well they work. So you can see that they are a bit dirty. One nice thing I like about this tread is it doesn't have a lot of things for mud or rocks to get into, so it stays relatively clean on the sole. And this, it really is just kind of like a water sock. So you don't really need these laces at all. You could take these off and it would work just as well without it. But overall, the shoe is nice and comfortable, and the insole does come out, so if you ever need to replace it or anything like that, you can quite easily. I think the main thing I really like about these shoes is it really is very comfortable. The shoe itself is actually quite lightweight, but because of the steel toe, you do kind of notice when you're walking, you feel it kind of heavy right here in the toe. That is something you get used to, and if you wear steel toes, then you already know kind of what that is like and that there's an extra weight to the shoe. So that's not really any big deal. To put these on, you will need two hands. You'll need to pull here on this little plastic part and pull on the tongue to get it on. Here's a clip of me putting it on. So to put on these shoes, you got this tab here, and then you can use your finger here and put it on that way. You can't just put your foot in there, you have to use your hands, but it's pretty fast and easy. So these were sent to me for free to do this review, and I really like them. They are very comfortable. If you need a shoe that is steel-toed but comfortable and mobile and you can move around very easily, not your kind of heavy boots, then these work really, really well.